Hello, Professor. We are the fourth group. Following is our presentation.
Hello, everyone. My name is YanTao. I currently work for Peking University Founder Company, and I'm mainly responsible for product sales management in the publishing industry. Next, I'm responsible for explain the brief introduction of performance appraisal in group work. Performance appraisal refers to the process in which an enterprise specifies standards and indicators to evaluate in public work BOE and work performation and establish strategic goals and uses the results of the evaluate to pathway guide employees for trade worker behavior and worker performance and method. Performance appraisal is a stream-making project. It involves the company's development, planning, strategic target system, and organization target responsibility system. In this evaluation system, evaluation stand, evaluation content, evaluation method. The core is to promote the improvement of enterprise management level and the enhancement comprehensive strengths. The purpose is to improve the personal ability of employees and ensure that people make to best use of the talents so that the role of human resources can be brought into full play. Okay, next.
Hello everyone, my name is Zheng YueLong. The title of my speech is The Trend of Performance Appraisal. The main trend of current performance appraisal is as follows. First, since the development of performance appraisal, there are many appraisal methods, including KPI, MBO, BSC, 360-degree performance feedback method, etc. Each appraisal method has its advantage and disadvantage. Different enterprises or different departments of enterprises or enterprises may adopt different assessment methods at a different time. Only the right one is good. Second, let employees actively participate in the setting of performance appraisal indicators. Third, more flexible assessment cycle. Fourth, pay more attention to the combination of team performance and individual performance. Fifth, the reward system of assessment pays more attention to helping employees grow up. Sixth, organize a combination of long-term performance appraisal and short-term performance appraisal. Seventh, in the era of information technology and internet, especially after the outbreak of COVID-19, more and more companies are using the internet and information technology to implement employee performance management. That's the end of my speech. Thank you.
Hello, Professor. It's my introduction. I live in Beijing. I work in an investment company. Following is my presentation about how it impacts business organizations. Firstly, when the individual performance level of employees is flexed, the higher of organizational performance level, the higher the overall performance level of the enterprise. On the contrary, the lower the level of organizational performance, the lower the overall level of enterprise performance. Overall performance depends not only on the level of individual performance of employees, but also on the level of organizational performance. Organizational performance is used to measure the efficiency and effectiveness of managers, using resources to meet the needs of consumers or service objects and achieve organizational goals. In addition, performance appraisal as an important link in the circle of performance management is an important link between individual performance and organizational performance. How to make full use of the means of performance evaluation so that the evaluation score can not only reflect the degree of personal performance, but also reflects the degree of organizational performance and promote the effective achievement of enterprise organizational performance. Is a problem that has been plagued by many human resources management practitioners. Is my presentation. Next.
Hello, Professor. My name is MingFei. I work in China Construction Group. Let me introduce the recommendations for enterprise or organizations part. According to the panel discussion, we summarizing it into 6 aspects. First, we should be responsible for civic department in the enterprise and avoid working part-time in both departments. Second, this distinction should be made between the assessment criteria of different measurement levels. Third, we should respect the rights of assist personnel from effective separation of the performance appraisal and ensure that complaint channel of personnel is appeed. Fourth, safeguard the interest of enterprise and implement withdrawal mechanism for personnel who are not qualified for performance appraisal. Fifth, the naval controls epidemic has not faded, and performance appraisal system on the new offer mode should be rethought and revised. Six, the purpose of performance appraisal is to achieve sustainable enterprise development through long-term vocational optimization of talents. This is my part. Next.
Next, okay. Let me summarize this report to the last part. First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is HeLiangLiang, and I currently work as a marketing manager in software complaint. Back to the conclusion of this group work. The ultimate goal of performance appraisal is to improve the performance ability of the organization and employee. Through performance appraisal, the combination of employment, job performance, training and development, and labor compensation can make full use of the enterprise incentive mechanism, which is conducive to the healthy development of enterprise. At the same time, it is also convenient for the staff to its privilege psychological motor of continuous self-motivation. The above is all our group work report. Thank you, Professor.